Hi everyone, and welcome to the 3 Minute Math YouTube channel where you go solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from 2013 AMC 8, question number 9. The Incredible Hulk can double the distance he jumps with each succeeding jump. If his first jump is 1 meter, second is 2 meters, and third is 4 meters, and so on which jump will you first be able to jump more than 1 kilometer? So this 1 kilometer, I'm just going to rewrite it as 1,000 meters. So his first jump is 1, his second jump is 2, his third jump is 4, and he doubles the distance. So his fourth jump will be 8. So we know that this will go all the way until 1024, and that should be his, there will be 10 spots. He'll need to move up by 10 powers in between. 10 jumps from 11, so 10 jumps from 1 will give you 11, which means that C is correct. It'll be his 11th jump when he does that.